How to install your Gainsborough Freestyle Trilock. Before you begin, you will need all the supplied parts, as well as a builder's pencil, ruler, chisel, screwdriver, drill, and selected drill bits. Start by preparing the door. Position the supplied template on the door edge at the desired latch height. Mark the latch height and hole positions. Reverse the template and mark the other side of the door. Measure the door thickness and mark the centre in the latch height marking. Squarely drill a latch hole. Drill 3mm pilot holes, then enlarge using a 10mm drill bit. Use a 54mm hole saw on both sides of the door to avoid damaging the surface. Using the latch as a template, mark and chisel the latch faceplate to a recess of 4mm. If you are installing a door sensor, now is a good time to refer to the corresponding video or installation guide for additional instruction on door preparation. Install the latch with the tapered side facing the jamb. Before installing, your lever may require handing. Push through the retaining plate and swing the lever over to the preferred direction. Install the external door furniture. Fit the spindle spring to the spindle and install. Using the supplied tool, release the battery cover and unhinge from the top. Connect the internal furniture to the main loom. Ensure the D-shaft and socket are aligned and no cables are in a position to be pinched. Attach the internal furniture with the screws provided. Position the door so that the center point of the strike plate can be marked on the frame. Mark and drill a 25mm hole to a depth of 25mm. Mark and chisel recesses for the strike plate. Fit the strike plate with the supplied screws. Install the batteries and you're finished. Now you can enter with style with your new Gainsborough Freestyle Trilock. For further information such as programming or door sensor installation, please consult your installation guide or visit our website. Gainsborough. Enter with style.